Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to convert PSD image to EPS in Photoshop. So get ready start. At first open your Photoshop document. Now you can see open the PSD image in convert to the EPS. Now going to the file menu option, then click. Now click from open option. Now you select from file and find your EPS. Now select from PSD. Now click from open option. Now you can see then it show the open PSD file. Then PSD file in convert from EPS. Now going to the again file menu option, then click. Now click from save as option. Now choose from name, file name. Now select from format option. Now select from EPS. Now click save. Now click OK. That it's. Now you can see convert PSD to EPS in Photoshop document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.